In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the picture-in-picture mode on the TikTok application. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just exit out of the applications first and search for settings on your Android phone. So just swipe up for the menu and we hit settings. From here, we need to search for all apps. Here I have app management, but you might see different kind of option, so you can just search for apps on the top as well. So basically where all apps are, you need to head over to that and we select app list, and when you see all apps, we need to write here TikTok. Next to it is this arrow sign. Click on that and you scroll down in all the options you have in here, and here we have picture-in-picture mode right here. Click on this and we just disallow or turn that off, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.